Seniors, just one oil rebuilds hair and repairs dead follicles better than expensive serums. The oil we are talking about is rosemary oil, specifically when used in a way that respects your scalp's delicate aging biome. Most people think hair loss is an inevitable part of getting older, but often it is just a sign that the scalp environment has become too dry or the blood vessels have constricted. Rosemary oil has been shown in clinical studies to be just as effective as leading pharmaceutical hair growth treatments, but without the harsh side effects or the high price tag. It works by improving microcirculation and blocking the hormones that cause follicles to shrink, allowing your hair to grow back thicker and more resilient. For seniors, the scalp becomes thinner and loses its ability to hold on to moisture. This is why those expensive alcohol-based serums often make the problem worse by causing irritation and breakage. Rosemary oil, when paired with a nourishing carrier like jojoba or almond oil, provides a protective barrier while delivering deep antioxidant support directly to the root. This is how you rebuild the foundation of your hair. You are essentially feeding the follicles the oxygen and nutrients they've been missing for years, encouraging them to move back into the active growth phase. We have to understand that your hair is a reflection of your internal vitality. While this oil works wonders from the outside, it is most effective when your body is hydrated and your circulation is active. When you apply the oil, you aren't just putting on a product. You are performing a therapeutic massage. This massage breaks up tension in the scalp and encourages the tiny capillaries to open up. For a senior, this manual stimulation is just as important as the oil itself. It tells your body that this area is a priority for repair and growth, triggering a natural regenerative response. Consistency is the secret ingredient that most people miss. You cannot apply this oil once and expect a miracle. Your hair grows in cycles, and you need to support those cycles over time. By committing to a simple twice-a-week routine, you are providing a steady supply of the compounds your scalp needs to stay healthy. This is a marathon, not a sprint, but the results are far more sustainable than any quick-fix chemical. You are building real structural strength in your hair that will stay with you as you continue to age with grace and confidence. One major mistake many seniors make is using harsh, stripping shampoos that wash away all the beneficial oils the scalp produces. When you use this rosemary oil treatment, you are replenishing that lost protection. It helps to soothe inflammation and clear away any buildup that might be clogging your follicles. A clear, calm scalp is the only place where healthy hair can grow. By switching from expensive, aggressive treatments to this gentle, oil-based approach, you are working with your biology instead of fighting it, which is always the fastest path to health. Another benefit of this specific oil is its impact on the sheen and texture of your hair. As we age, hair can become wiry or dull. The fatty acids in the carrier oils used with rosemary help to smooth the hair cuticle, reflecting more light and making your hair look instantly more vibrant and youthful. This provides an immediate boost to your confidence, while the deeper work of follicle repair is happening beneath the surface. You don't have to choose between immediate results and long-term health. This natural approach gives you both. Now, let's talk about the specific way to apply it. You don't want to just rub it on the hair strands. You must get it onto the skin of the scalp. Use your fingertips to work the oil in using small circular motions. This ensures the active compounds reach the base of the follicle where the actual rebuilding happens. It should feel like a relaxing spa treatment. This reduction in stress is also beneficial, as high cortisol levels are a known contributor to hair thinning. You are treating your mind and your hair at the same time. Before we get to that final growth doubling tip, remember that your hair also needs the right building blocks from your diet. Your body prioritizes your heart and brain over your hair. So if you are low on nutrients, your hair is the first thing to suffer. Ensure you are eating vibrant, whole foods that support your cellular health. When you combine a nutrient-dense lifestyle with this powerful topical oil, you are attacking the problem from both sides. This is the holistic secret to maintaining a full head of hair well into your 80s and 90s. This brings us to the inversion method I promised you. When you are massaging the oil into your scalp, try sitting on a chair and gently lowering your head between your knees for just 2 minutes. This uses gravity to send a massive surge of fresh, oxygenated blood directly to your scalp. For a senior, this simple move can dramatically increase the effectiveness of the oil because it overcomes the sluggish circulation that often comes with age. Just be sure to move slowly and check with your comfort level. It is a powerful way to power wash your follicles with nutrients. By adopting this one simple habit, you are stepping away from the patient mindset and into the proactive mindset. You are proving that you don't need a massive budget or a prescription to see real, tangible changes in your body. You have the power to influence your biology at any age. Your hair is a living part of you, and it responds to care, nutrition, and love. Treat your scalp like a garden. Give it the right soil and the right nutrients, and it will flourish once again. I want you to feel excited every time you see a new sprout of hair, or notice your ponytail feeling a bit thicker. These are signs of a body that is resilient and capable of repair. You aren't just getting older. You are getting wiser in how you care for yourself. This oil is a tool, but your dedication is the real magic. Stay consistent, stay positive, and enjoy the process of reclaiming your vitality. You deserve to look and feel your best every single day of your life. Thank you for spending this time with me today, and for being so invested in your personal health journey. It is truly inspiring to see so many seniors taking charge of their wellness with natural, effective strategies. If you found this tip about rebuilding your hair helpful and want to keep discovering more secrets to senior health and longevity, please subscribe to the channel. We are a community dedicated to thriving together and living our most vibrant lives. I look forward to seeing your results and seeing you in the next video.